Hi, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm hiking up to the ski resort on Gol. The wind's supposed to be like northeast, so it's gonna go right there. We're gonna have thermal starting at 11, but the peak will most likely be like 13, 14, then going up to 1,900 meters. Yeah, I think it's about a 2 hours hike. First pit stop. The time is now 10:17. Approximately just about 1 hour more to go. You can actually see the cumulus starting to form now. I can see the thermals just on top of the field here. I found this bunch. Eldrerådet. It means the Council of the Elders in English, and it's 1 out of 10 benches in this area. If you find them all 10 of them, they have this number, and if you add up all the numbers, you can win a prize from the local tourist office. So that's quite cool. Just needed to have a break. It's a pretty steep hill. It was 0 degrees when I hiked from home, so it's quite chill here in the shadow. Very little wind. I can see a small cumulus forming directly above my planned takeoff. 430 altitude meters and 2 kilometers. It's not actually a trail, but come on. Still a bit of ski in the snow resort, otherwise I would just hike straight up there, going through the woods instead. Steep. I brought all the heavy equipment today, so 18 kilos on the back with food and spare clothes. So really hope that this will be a cross-country flight. Fucking nice. Try not to fucking slide all the way down, huh? That was quite far. I think this is the top. It's heavy here, but now it's nice wind. Wind direction is supposed to be from here, but wind is coming up here, so I'm guessing it's thermals. I'm a bit worried though about all this cloud layer coming in, so I hope it's not gonna cover up everything for me. I have to continue. Oh, at the top. Really excited about this day. Is it gonna be like a 10-minute flight down, or can I actually manage to pull something more off? Now I'm up at the diner, Café Utsyn is the name. I was actually thinking of lending some power for my cell phone before I fly, and I will have some lunch. Looks nice. Wind comes steady in here. This is east faced, and obviously the sun is here very early and it travels around there, so I'm a bit insecure if I just want to go for kind of see what altitude I can get here and then just go around on the lee side, because that's where the sun will be. Just have to see in the air. Moment of truth. Let's see, fingers crossed. Just wait for the next thermal. Hallo? Jeg står akkurat og skal ta av. Ja, vi snakkes. It's like an unspoken rule. If you bring your phone, it will call immediately as you are ready to take off. I'm 45, so I'm really not gaining anything. I'm just kind of drifting away. Maybe I should go more into the thermal again. I see the eagle down there. It's actually getting chased by a raven. Try and fly into the thermal again. See if I can find the center. Skal vi se, her kanskje jeg får haik. Skal dere opp, eller? I was really lucky. Just met up with a school and they will actually take me back up on top and maybe I can fly back home. Stay with me on this one. During the flight, a fellow pilot experienced a serious front collapse. It happens right as I point the camera straight up. Watch closely and see if you can catch it. If you're enjoying the flight so far, consider subscribing. And if you want to support the channel, there's a Patreon link below.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding, an easy kill, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me to go, burn all
yeah, I managed to get almost back home. So just start hiking.